It was a difficult time. The economy was in crisis. There was no work. But she had to feed her family. And she was sick. She lived in a slum, so she didn't even have enough space for a small garden to plant vegetables or grow her own food. She was distraught, hopeless, helpless. But life had to go on. Because of generous souls, she was able to gather some vegetables and other ingredients from her neighbors. Finally, she had enough to make something simple, yet could provide sustenance for her family. She made do with what little she had. Using her creativity and resourcefulness, she created a dish that was most probably unheard of, from the simplest of ingredients. She continued to make the same dish, as it was the simplest thing to make. She only needed some basic ingredients, which her loving neighbors graciously provided. With repetition, she honed and polished this recipe, changing this, changing that, slowly making it taste even better, until it was close to perfect. Then, at the food festival in her hometown, she took a chance and presented her creation. The creation that saved her and her family from hunger caused by destitution. She cutely called it crisis adobo. Her creation was such a hit, she took home nothing less than the grand prize at that food festival. And now, her creation has become a special treat. Slow and simple, old world ways of cooking, the call of desperation, altogether spelled success in the end. This is the simple story of Elizabeth of Silay City.